Hello, my dear students. Today I will discuss about some questions and answers. The topic name is Values and Data Types, Part 1. The next slide contains exercise questions and answers of Chapter 4. Question number A. Choose the correct answer from the following options. Number 1. ASCII stands for. Options are American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Number B. American Simulated Code for Information Interchange. Number C. American Standard Code for Interchange of Information. Number D. American Standard Code for Interaction of Information. The correct option is A. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Question number 2. ASCII is dash. The options are number A. 6-bit set of codes. Number B. 7-bit set of codes. Number C. 8-bit set of codes. Number D. 16-bit set of codes. The correct answer is number B. 7-bit set of codes. Question number 3. Extended ASCII is dash. Number A. 6-bit set of codes. Number B. 7-bit set of codes. Number C. 8-bit set of codes. Number D. 16-bit set of codes. The correct answer is 8-bit set of codes. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a token? Token is the smallest individual unit of Java program. Here the options are number A. Keywords. Number B. Operators. Number C. Identifiers. Number D. Procedure. The correct option is number D. Procedure. Question number 5. Which of the following is a keyword? The options are number A. Character. Number B. Object. Number C. Break. Number D. Attribute. The correct answer is number C. Break. Question number 6. Which of the following is not legal identifier? The options are number A. Underscore age. Number B. 9th class. Option C. Dollar amount. Number D. Null value. The correct answer is B. 9th class. Identifiers cannot be started with a digit. Question number 7. Which of the following is an invalid integer? The options are number A. 1999. Option B. 1,19,999. C. 199 gap 99. Option D. 199. So the correct option is option C. 199 gap 99. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a character literal? The options are A \t within single quotes, option B T within single quotes, option C T within double quotes, option D all of this. The correct answer is option number C T within double quotes. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a primitive data types in Java? The options are number A Boolean, number B short, number C float, number D class. The correct answer is number D class. Question number 10. Which of the following punctuator is the statement terminator in Java? The options are A semicolon, B comma, C dot, number D all of this. The correct answer is option A semicolon. Semicolon is used to terminate the Java statement. Question number 11. Which of the following is the size of a long data type in Java? The options are question number A 32 bits, number B 64 bits, number C 48 bits. Number D long data type is not supported in Java. The correct answer is number B 64 bit. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 12. Which of the following is the size of a Boolean data type in Java? Number A 1 bits, number B 8 bits, number C 16 bits. Number D Boolean data type does not take any space in memory. The correct answer is number B 8 bits. Question number 13. There are dash different types of token in Java. The options are number A 7, number B 5, number C 6, number D 8. The correct answer is number B 5. Question number 14. Which of the following is the size of a char data type in Java? The options are A 16 bits, B 8 bits, number C 32 bits, number D 64 bits. The correct answer is A 16 bits. Question number 15. The dash keyword is used to declare a constant in Java. The options are number A public, number B final, number C char, number D int. The correct answer is final. The final keyword is used to declare a constant in Java. The next slide contains some true and false statements. Question number B. State whether given statements are true or false. Question number 1. Java supports the use of ASCII character set only. False. Java supports the use of Unicode character set only. Question number 2. The smallest unit in a Java program is known as token. True. Question number 3. The Unicode character set uses 16 bits per character. The statement is true. Question number 4. In an escape sequence, a character is preceded by a forward slash. The statement is false. The correct statement is in an escape sequence, a character is preceded by a backward slash. Question number 5. In Java, an identifier can begin with a $sign. The statement is true. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 6. Java offers 5 types of tokens. The statement is true. Question number 7. The char data type reserves 8 bits in memory. The statement is false. The correct statement is the Boolean data type reserves 8 bits in memory. Question number 8. The Boolean data type are used for storing logical values. The statement is true. Question number 9. If a literal constant contains a decimal point, then it is of the type double by default. The statement is true. Question number 10. The modifier final can be applied to a variable declaration to ensure that the value stored in the variable cannot be changed after the variable has been initialized. The statement is true. Students, in this session I have discussed about some questions and answers. Hope all of you have understood this part of the chapter very well. Thank you.